Yo, ever wake up one day and realize, damn, my life feels like a complete mess? Like you're just stuck in a bad Netflix series with no season finale? Yeah, I feel you. But here's the good news. You can hit the reset button. Today, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your life from the ground up. Become the absolute best version of yourself. No cheesy BS. We'll talk about mindset, habits, managing your time, handling stress, and fixing your health. Basically, everything your school forgot to teach you. All right, let's dive in. First off, you got to be open-minded, bro. If you're stuck seeing life from one narrow, my way or no way kind of view, guess what? You're screwed. Start looking at your problems from different angles. Start asking, what if I'm wrong? Trust me, seeing different perspectives is a low-key life hack. Smart people question themselves. Dumb people double down on their bad ideas. Be the first one. Next up, emotional resilience. Big fancy word, but it just means don't fall apart when life slaps you. You need emotional muscle, not emotional drama. Tough day, boss yells, girlfriend dumps you. Cool, cry for 20 minutes, then analyze it. What went wrong? What can I control next time? Real kings don't stay down bad forever. Let's talk about the silent killer, procrastination. You're not lazy, you're just overwhelmed, bro. Try the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Small wins build momentum. Do the tiny thing, feel good. Do the bigger thing. It's like leveling up in a game. Simple. Look, if you don't manage your time will manage you, and not in a good way. You need to plan your day. No plan, you're just vibing through life, hoping things magically happen. Spoiler alert, they don't. Break your big goals into small tasks, schedule them, prioritize the hard stuff first when your energy's high. Treat your calendar like your personal weapon. Respect it. Now, stress. Here's the truth. You're not a robot. You're not meant to grind 24/7 like some motivational Instagram page tells you. Set achievable goals. Take breaks. Give yourself permission to chill without guilt. Think of your brain like a battery. You don't charge it. You don't win. Health. Fix your meat suit, bro. Exercise. Here's the raw truth. If your body's weak, your mind's weak too. Period. You don't need a 2-hour gym session or CrossFit madness. Just move. Walk, lift, stretch, run, whatever gets the blood flowing. Exercise literally strengthens your brain neurons too. Yeah, science backs it up, not just gym bros. Also, eat like you love yourself, not like you hate your life. Cut the trash food. More greens, more protein, more water. Good fuel, good thinking. Garbage fuel, brain fog, low energy, bad vibes. You want to build an empire? Start by fixing what's on your plate. Final secret weapon, self-feedback loop. Last thing, and this is where 90% of people fail, self-feedback. Every week, sit down with yourself. Ask, what mistakes did I make? Why did they happen? What can I do better next week? Who or what is wasting my time? Insta doom scrolling? Fake friends? Cut them. Fast. Track your progress. You can't fix what you're not measuring. No more wandering around aimlessly. Get aligned with your vision, or you're just wasting another year. Listen, bro. Restarting your life isn't some magic overnight thing. It's slow, it's ugly, it's messy, but it's worth it. Change your mind, your time, your habits, your body, and the rest will follow. You got this. Now get out there and flex on your old self.